to join ya. The night, the night, the night, the night, the night, the night. Slowly it's taking over. My body can't control now. I feel like I can fly, can fly, can fly, can fly, can fly, can fly. Your love gives me, your love gives me so high. Your love gives me, gives me, gives me. Your love gives me so high. Touch me, show me all your demons. Surrender all my feelings.
Oh man, it's already 3. Yikes. I think I have this restream shit figured out, but we'll see. It looks like it works. I was working on this again, some more. Don't need the Govee one yet. I really don't wanna. I still don't know why it just refuses to see the one file. It's like, it's pretty fucking easy. I changed the name and everything too. But config missing Nanoleaf host or Nanoleaf API key. It won't look at it. I don't know why. It doesn't recognize this is like an equals or like this is the target. So fuck those things. Can I duplicate these? No. I might make a new one. New chat. We'll start over. We'll do the Govee or the WLED because WLED's easy to work with from what I've done so far. But I want to, let's see, what's in here? No, nothing. What about here? I need to start the other print first. I need to figure out why it's been failing. Just make it really big. I have to clean all that up and then get it set for a new print. And then I have to finish installing the slicer. Photon Workshop. I need it again. Let's see. Next. Yep. Next. Next. I don't know where the files are for it either. Projects. Ears. Headphone accessories. Left and right. 3D model file. What kind of 3D model file? Oh, it just associated it. Oh, motherfucker. I hate it when it does that. Back to this shit. What is this? Alt, enter. No. Come on. STL. Okay. I'll take an STL. Settings, preferences. Do you know what kind of printer I have? It does. Oh, it remembered everything. That's why. Oh, there's my other one. Okay. Let's reslice these then. Boop. And let's rotate that one and that one. Let's go to move. Oh, can I just move this one? Thanks. And then supports. Auto support. No. Auto supports. Whoa. See, I don't get why it'll support like angled faces, but this is basically flat and it doesn't have any supports there. Only a couple. And you got all this extra shit in here. Connection bar. Let's tweak this a bit. Okay, I'll put the glasses on. Also, I need more caffeine. Man, I wish I slept better. I'll like halfway sleep all night, and then like 10 a.m. rolls around, and my body's just like, you've been up all night. And I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? I've been trying to sleep. And then like 10:30, 11 rolls around, and my body's like, you can sleep now. Let's make this 2. Trunk top. Trunk bottom 3. 2. Okay, this we can make 1.7. 1.1. And then anchor distance. What is that? Does it say if I hover on it? No. 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 Top width 0.1. Distance in model. I wonder why it still does it. So this overlap where there's the model and then the support, does that mean it's double exposing that, or is that just like nothing? Like once it attaches here, that's it. It's all one piece. It should be. Yeah. Support angle. I think we can increase this, right? That means there'll be less supports. Anchor distance. I don't know what the fuck that means. Let's try that though. Generate. Dude, all of it. Come on. Looks like there's more. Oh, the bottoms are definitely bigger though. Oh, I remember. We had to remove all of that shit. How do we tell it just on the build plate? Connection. Can I make this bigger? No. Bottom model connection. Ball contact. Bar. Base. Okay. Enable the base plate. No. Where's the supports only from the base? Max branch number. Bar cross connection. Yeah, sure. Interval height. Top model connection. What does it mean by top model connection? Oh, where it connects at the very top of the towers. Bottom model connection. So if it starts on the model. I see. How do I disable that altogether? Max smaller pillar height. The max small pillar height. Small pillar width. Remove short supports. Yeah. Plate form. Enable plate form connection. Yeah. You don't need 0.8 though. Let's just do like 0.5. 0.5. Thank you. Diameter 7. Slope angle. Sure. Anchors. Definitely 60, if not more. Anchor distance. 4. Border offset. 0.5 millimeter. Reinforce lowest points. Yes. Lowest anchor distance. Oh, I have that in the way, don't I? I'm sorry. Hang on. Oh, wait. I think I have a toggle for it. Nope, I don't. We'll do this. I guess that does work. Cool. Support angle. I like that they give you a little visual. That's really nice. I'm gonna try that. Copy, import, export. I hope it saves. Does it save? Save as default. I guess it auto saved. Advance. Not advanced. It's just advance. Reinforce a single support. Yeah, I think I've been over this though, right? Reinforce support height. The minimum height, the height threshold in which it starts reinforcing a single support. And then the distance between the okay, let's try that. Generate. Dude, can you just default to selecting everything on the build plate instead of just random stuff? Thanks. That stuff is still in there though. Support on platform. Again. Hey, there we go. I think that should be fine. And again, it keeps defaulting just to one of them. What the fucking shit, man? Both. I think that might be good enough. I might need to make these a little bit bigger though. That looks pretty small. Those might mess up. I think I might just try it though. Okay, so the supports are good. Clone and parent noses, edit the thing. Where's the... I've never actually had to do this because I've never had to tweak the exposure times in this program. Oh, this resin's different. That's why. Hang on. What do I have? It's because I didn't buy the nice resin and I didn't know that it wasn't the nice resin. This is any cubic resin. This is bullshit resin. Add a new resin. Yeah. Oh, custom one? No. How do I search? That's the right machine. Copy resin. Import a resin. Add a new resin. I don't remember where I found these. Hmm. Importer resin is going to go for a file. Yeah, it's going to go for a file. Does this tell me what I can do or no? Do not drink. Oh, damn. I was planning on that. Oh, wait. No, that's not it either. I think these are all the Soraya tech. Yeah. Okay, well, let me find it then. Any cubic standard resin photon workshop import. I want the file. Quick start guide for photon workshop. No, I want your resin settings. Materials, resin. This is standard resin. V2. I don't even know if this is V2. I didn't even get any of the good ones. This is just shit. I might end up throwing it away. As in, like, dumping it in a container and leaving it out in the sun until it hardens into plastic and then throwing it away. Where's the file? Give me the file. Cheap shit. Cheap fucking shit. Oh, it works great. Firmware and software. Material user guide. Maybe that. Maybe firmware software. Download the model. Download the model. Free model. What do you mean the model? Printing parameters. I'm using water wash resin. I don't even think that's the thing. Mercury lamp. There's the parameters. Oh no, that's just of the resin. That's not the Okay, let's see. Maybe it's in here. Filament and resin. Oh yeah, I'm already here. Doesn't even say. It's just like, if this is too fast. Doesn't even give me like no starting numbers for their own resin. You guys are fucking assholes. Pieces of shit, man. Default resin normal. 0.05 versus 0.1. Probably do 0.1 actually. Is there an in-between? Why is it double? High speed resin. Oh, that would be cool. Cast true clear emerald. If you ever get a resin printer, always get Soraya Tech resin. Seeing if there's anything else that looks kind of... Yeah, alright. Default normal. And let's go, let's tweak it though, because the thinner the layer, the better the accuracy of the z-axis direction. Can I do 0.075? I want right in between the two. Normal exposure time. I'm gonna leave these, I think. $220, what? It definitely was not 1 kilogram. Oh, they measured it by weight? They didn't even give me by volume. It's about a liter though. It definitely wasn't 220. It's like 30. Bottom layers, anti-alias, huh? Higher grade of anti-alias value could enhance the ability to smooth the edges for each layer during printing, thereby resulting better surface of the printed objects. Whatever, I'm gonna choose this one. Default resin normal. Yep. For this one anyways. 0.075, 3.6 seconds. Hopefully this works. Get that. Motherfucker. Okay. Slice. $36 milliliters, approximately $1.1, and it's only 2 hours. Damn, that's way quicker than 7 hours. Less time for something to go wrong. Probably won't even notice the difference too. USB drive. Overwrite this. Wait until it stops blinking. And then wait a few more seconds. Still blinking. It's an old USB. I need to use a newer one. I mean, I have a bunch here. I don't know why I don't. Probably because I like the blinky light. I have the Micro Center one, which is technically faster, but yeah, because this is 2. I'm gonna use this one next. I don't know what's on there though. Okay, now I have to now I gotta go clean out the vat. Fuck off! I get it! Go away! Thank you. Let's put that back. We don't need it quite so big though. Here, we'll put that. Actually, we'll put that. Yeah, we'll put it over there. We'll put it over there. All right, I'm gonna go do this. Ah. Oops. Yeah. Poor film's already all beat up. Damn. It's leaking. Maybe not. like that clean. I don't know how this works. Hey Sarah, what's up? I have no idea how that check leveling works. I need to Google it really quick. How does check leveling work? Photon. What do I have? Mono M5S Pro. Photon mono. Let's see mono. To level the build plate on a mono resin printer, you need to loosen the 4 screws holding the build plate, then use the printer's menu to move the build plate to its home position. Oh, gently press down on the build plate while retightening the screws. I don't feel like doing that. I'm just going to hit start. Okay. There. I have a headache. I did not sleep well. And then I slept until 2. And now I'm just trying to continue with catching up with projects. Random stuff. I was thinking that I wasn't doing nearly enough with my projects lately. And I was like, dang, I need to like stop streaming and work on projects more. And I was like, well, I don't really want to stop streaming. I was like, well, I can work on projects while I stream, and I should just do that more. So here I am. Okay, we got the sliced. I don't think I want to save this. Well, you know what? I can leave it minimized, though. It's not like it takes up that much. Where am I typing? What's going on? Let's see. CPU, 57, 34, 33. You know, I'm okay with that. I am making, let's see. Okay, so these, minus the supports, disregard those dark blue things. These are like low poly cat ear attachments for headphones, and then there's going to be like Velcro straps that fit through these little holes, and then you can attach them to headphones. I'm not going to wear them. I'm going to sell them. Oh, Squeezo's not happy. Unknown chat badge. Oh, it doesn't like chat badges. Weird. No, I'm not gonna wear them. This was something I started like a while ago. Oh my gosh. Emails. And then I wanted to finish it. Especially since I can add it to my Etsy store. I could do like different colors and stuff. I only have the ones that are like on the actual, on a headband that you can like wear, not attached to headphones kind of thing. I'll make them LEDs eventually. But now that that's printing, I don't think I need to do anything else with that until it's done. The last one said it was going to take 7.5 hours. So, and it failed like 2 or 3 hours in. Twice, 2 or 3 times. So hopefully this one is better. This one's only like 2 hours total to print. What did it say? Where did it say it? I thought it said it. Preview. 2.5 hours, yeah. Yeah, it would, it printed like up to here. Actually, no, it printed like to here, but not, this bottom part stuck on the build plate with this. It was like all mashed into one. It was kind of weird. Oh, it's stuck on the vat. Sorry, this was stuck on the build plate. This was stuck on the vat. It was weird. It's since it prints upside down, it makes it kind of hard to picture. I don't know what the fuck's going on with this. Please report this in the Discord. Oh, is it checking the Discord? Handle text frame, handle frame, main, run main. Oh, I'm not even... Yeah, I don't know. External event. I think it's not liking the restream. I might have to figure that out. I don't think I can do both. I agree. It's not nearly as easy as they say it is. Most people just grab the pre-made scripts. Here, like here, you can just like... People will just be like, oh yes, copy pasta, and then it'll work. I wanted to make it from scratch, so I ended up... Where is it? I'm sure you saw it yesterday. It was a nightmare. ChatGPT has it. These are the easy parts, or the small parts. It's 512 lines of garbled mess. And I only understand a tiny bit of it, because Java's dumb. I was gonna do... That will work is not fully true, because I tried it for someone. Okay, yeah, you have to... Sometimes you have to tweak the values. You have to put in your stuff. At least here it gives you like, here's your Twitch channel, here's your OBS thing, here's your webhook, and then you don't have to worry about putting that in the script a lot of times. But yeah, sometimes you have to tweak values and stuff. It's just annoying. I was gonna do the GoV one to see if that worked a little easier, but hang on, let's see. Can I get the API key here? I can. Let me try to. Maybe this will work right off the bat. Let's do the same thing, except this time we're going to use. How do you spell it? Govee. Govee. We can include the keys and all the config stuff in the main script. It's bad practice, but whatever. It makes it easier. The Tangia party. I haven't used Tangia yet, but I think I have it set up right. I don't know if it takes channel points or bits or what, but there's a streamer I watch that uses Tangia and everybody loves it. They'll do... You can make like different... It uses AI a lot of times, so you can make like any character say anything. Like Adam Sandler voice. Saying blah 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 blah, like text-to-speech kind of thing. Or just random snippets. They can play like snippets from pretty much anything, any media ever. And so I was like, oh, that might be neat if somebody knows how to use Tangia, and I don't know if it works or not. It works when I do the tests, but so does everything else, and then people try to redeem it and it doesn't work. Also, today I'm using Restream. I don't know if it shows the overlay. And I'm not sure if it'll work through that too. Oh. No, it's typing. Okay, cool. Oh, we're gonna wait again. Oh, is it gonna give me the same animations? Cache scenes for fuzzy match. Where's the scenes? Help on off color scene list diag. Let's make this bigger. Maybe it'll work better. Ah, no, it won't be wider. Not sure what the overlay is. Not sure how to see it. See colors, moving colors. Wait, what? Oh, are you talking about my my like tech lines overlay that's like way around the border? Yeah. That's just the overlay I have on OBS. I made that. I thought it looked cool. Oh my gosh, it's still writing. The Tangia, I think it just shows up randomly on the screen because I have it enabled as a Twitch extension. Oops, too far. Save as script Govee chat. Okay, fine. Fill in your API device ID and SKU. The rainbow, yeah, I just call it tech lines. I don't know what else to call it. It's the same, it's actually the same design I have as like the stickers I sell on my Etsy page. I just like finagled some things and squished it and moved some parts around and then animated it in Adobe After Effects. That was the first thing I've ever animated, and the only thing so far. How to use. Okay, well, let's try this. Can't believe I'm doing more of this crap. Here, paste. Twitch chat. Govee lights via Govee Open API. Oh, it's cloud-based. Govee on, Govee off, Govee color, and then the name, Govee scene, Govee list, fuzzy scene matching. Okay, so it can take some up to 2 spelling errors. API key, device ID. Oh, let's see if I can get this. Govee. Actually, let's put the code over here. And then I can go over here for the Govee stuff. API. You can make an API call to Govee Desktop by using an external editor. Desktop will control the device by following your command. Enable the LAN API, switch off the device, and make sure it is under the same LAN with Govee Desktop. Make an API call. Let's see. Documentation? No. Question mark? No. No, 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 no. I have... Let's see. I'll have to make it so that when I open OBS, it automatically opens up this program too. Huh. API GUI graphical user interface ID. I have that, but I don't know what the SKU is either. Temperature. Govee desktop. Okay, if I click on this, is it going to tell me the kind of Govee it is? No. This is what I'm looking at, by the way. Scene, DIY, snapshot, color. It doesn't tell me the model. Feedback, settings, version log, more SKUs, general. I don't know. Tells me the app version. Maybe it will on my phone. I know desktop apps are usually really limited. Go. Okay, that works. Ah. Device. Distributed gateway. Nope. This device. Oh, it might. There's a lot more here. Yep. MAC address. Product model. Yep. That's dumb. Okay. The SKU. H610A. MAC ID. $42. And then the API. I think that's it. And then it wanted me to save this as... Got that. Okay, reload the scripts. Okay, and then maybe it'll just magically work right off the bat. I don't know if it knows. It'll probably work for static colors. But I don't know about scenes. Also, I don't remember what... Okay, save as this. No package line. I don't know what that means. Save as. Okay. Save. Maybe this one will just work right off the bat. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, I don't know if it'll... Restream thing really fucks things up. I might have to like kill it and then just go straight back to just Twitch. Sure, wishful thinking. I know, right? Reload scripts. Yeah, because everything's being sent to Restream and then relayed to Twitch. This is the problem. It's if you stream to multiple platforms, it just fucks everything up. It's really hard to get. You're basically limiting yourself to like the most basic of functions. Also, I don't even know if it's working. Is it working? View. Oh, it is working. Might have to reload, squeeze it. Nope, there it is. Can it even see? Yeah, okay, so it can see your messages, so. Multi-stream with Streamlabs? Maybe? I don't use Streamlabs. I just have OBS, and then I'll use Stream Elements for certain notifications, and then... Yeah. But today I was like, I'm gonna try going to YouTube as well, so... Wanted to see how it would work. Which is like, okay, but none of my cool fancy stuff works. I always overcomplicate everything. I want cool stuff and it's always really complicated. Okay, let me try this in the... What was it? Is it even gonna... I'm going to type in the nano command because I know that's going to return the same thing it always has. If it doesn't return that, then I know it's kind of fucked up. Doesn't return it. Okay, yeah, it's not going to work. Who doesn't want cool stuff? I don't know. I have some friends that... I guess they just have weird tastes. Okay... Yeah, it's not even returning anything. It's the restream. I guess if I want cool things, then I have to not use... I have to just stream directly to Twitch and that's it. Which has a lot more... There's a lot more to it. They've got a whole website dedicated to developers. I don't think YouTube has that. Also, I have to use like super safe DMCA music, so that's why it's kind of shitty music today too. There's no like sending 2 tracks and then one is the VOD track. I'm going to stop the restream, change all my settings back to Twitch, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to test this because I want it to work. Or try Streamlabs. No, that's more setup, and then it's... Oh, man. Yeah, that was just more work. Chat renewed. Oh, it did? Oh. Okay. I will be right back as soon as I can figure out how to actually end